Chinese brands dominating the Philippine market part 2. Alam nyo ba na hindi lang ng mga Chinese brands ang nagte-take over dito sa Philippines? Unti-unti na rin yung mga Filipino brands natin ay talagang nagpapagawa sa China. Actually, hindi lang naman Filipino brands. Maraming mga brands all over the world ang nagpapagawa sa China. Yes, ganun sila ka-powerful. Dati, pag sinasabing made in China, mura yan. Pero for me, hindi kasi ako sa presyo nakatingin. Mas nakatingin ako dun sa strategy na pwedeng gawin. So, paano nga ba talaga magpalago ng isang business na galing China at dito imamarket sa Philippines? Number 1, you have to build your brand first. Mostly a lot of brands ay hindi muna nagpapatayo ng factory or hindi muna bumibili ng mga machines. Ang inuuna talaga nila is more on branding, marketing, sales, community, and of course distribution. In short, ginagawa nila ito para makapag-create ng demand because they wanna know kung meron ba talagang bibili ng kanilang produkto. Number 2, once they were able to do this, ang next na gagawin nila is to get the best manufacturer, of course, saan pa nga ba, kundi sa China. Doon sila sa China talagang naghahanap ng mga manufacturers because isang buong ecosystem na talaga ang China. Ibig sabihin, kumpleto na po doon. If you're looking for the right packaging, printing, raw materials, at great quality of products, nandun po yun sa China. Now, once you'll have all of this, you'll have, of course, maayos na produkto. At kapag maayos yung produkto mo, mas madali ngayon makapag-scale ng business. Now, number 3 is scaling your business through the sales channel that are available. Of course, you will go for e-commerce, you'll do affiliate marketing. This is just one of the many things na ginagawa ng mga Chinese brands dito sa Philippines. And of course, number 3 is for you to be open sa mga distributors. Now, through this, you will generate a lot of sales. At kapag napakarami na yung sales mo, ang dami mo ng pera, mas lumalaki yung production mo. At pag mas malaki na yung production mo, this is the best time na pwede ka na din magtayo ng own manufacturing plant. So, bakit nga ba nagtatayo ka ng own manufacturing plant? Number 1, mas less yung production cost. Number 2, nagiging controlled yung quality mo. At ito yung the best. Number 3, you can cater other brands. The best part dito is that hindi ka lang kumikita sa own brand mo. Kumikita ka din sa iba't ibang mga brands. Now, ang tanong, bakit mas maraming nagpapagawa sa China or nagpapamanufacture sa China? Una sa lahat, mas maganda ang factories doon, mas advanced ang technology, mas competitive ang pricing, and of course, mas mapapabilis ang production mo kapag sa China ka. And here's the thing, kapag ito yung ginawa natin, at tayo mismo ay magtatayo ng own manufacturing plant dito sa Philippines, it will give us more work for the Filipinos. I mean, I know China is China, but of course, di pa rin naman huli ang lahat para humabol yung Philippines. With this, we can create world-class products. And FYI, dito galing ang iba't ibang mga produkto like ube, coconut, nang pwedeng-pwede sana natin ma-export. But with the right business, like for example, a manufacturing plant, it will help us to have a mark globally. And I'm going to show you something. This is 1020. I bought this on TikTok. And yung sinasabi ko kanina na maraming mga Chinese brands na pumapasok na dito sa Philippines, isa lang po ito. Kung makikita niyo dito, it is imported and distributed by MSC Essentials Corporation na from Manila. It's a Filipino company na legally nagdi-distribute ng products na to dito sa Philippines. And yes, this is what they have been doing. Kung hindi ka man makakapag-start ng own brand mo, usually ang ginagawa ng mga corporations like this one, they actually get brands from China and they distribute that here in the Philippines. And yes, the reason why I have this kasi binili ko to. Ang ganda ng packaging. Ito siya in the shade Rosy Glam number 3. And ito yung shade niya. The reason why I bought this kasi I'm always in a meeting. Lagi ako nasa office everyday. And para mas mabilis yung pagme-makeup ko, ito na lang. Kasi hindi ako marunong mag-eyeshadow. Ang galing no, kasi ginawa talaga nila to kasi sinolve nila yung problema ng mga babaeng katulad ko na hindi marunong mag-eyeshadow. So yes, it looks like this from the inside. Galing lang. So yes, this is a product from China. Distributed legally here in the Philippines. Now if you wanna check it out, go and buy it. Yan lang. Bye.